I have a long trunk and big flappy ears. I roam in the grass where I live for many years. Peekaboo! I'm an elephant. I'm a big cat, but I don't purr. I've got black stripes and bright orange fur. Peekaboo! I'm a tiger. I can swim in the water, but I walk very slow. If I get scared, into my shell I go. Peekaboo! I'm a turtle. With my long tail, I swing in the trees. I have furry brown fur and I hang by my knees. Peekaboo! I'm a monkey. I like to gallop up hills and eat lots of hay. I have a silky coat and I sometimes say nay. Peekaboo! I'm a horse. I flitter and I flutter and I flap my wings. I come in many colors like flowers do in spring. Peekaboo! I'm a butterfly. I am little and green and I hop all around. When I sit on my lily pad, I make a croaking sound. Peekaboo! I'm a frog. I roar the loudest and I have a furry mane. I like to wander about in the jungle or on the plains. Peekaboo! I'm a lion.